Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Dokan to System.io using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. Now, go to the Flows page. Click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Now click Select an app and search Dokan as a trigger. New vendor added. Now click on the Listen Response button and go to the Dokan vendor dashboard. Add a new vendor. Fill up the vendor. Vendor created successfully done. Now go to BitFlows dashboard. The vendor data will be available in captured response. Now close the trigger tab. Click the plus icon. Then search and select System.io. Create contact as an action. Add connection. You can change connection name. To get the value, go to the System.io dashboard. Click on the Create button. Enter the API name. Select the expiration date. Save it. Here you API key. Copy it. And paste here. Now click on Connect. Select Tag. Map the respective field. Close it. Now test flow once. Use existing data. Click on the Log button to view details. In the Log section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded. To verify the created gist in System.io, go to the System.io dashboard, then navigate to CRM and select Contacts. You can see data came successfully done. Thanks for watching.